Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the newsletter in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it opens up in the shopping menu where we can browse and look at different kinds of clothing articles. But from this menu we have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner there is a person icon, which you have to tap. After this, in the overview section we find app settings. We tap on app settings, and then at the top we find your newsletters. If we tap on your newsletters, then here we can select different kinds of things. First, we have to select what kind of fashion we are interested in, women's or men's. Let's say we are interested in men's fashion. Here, it's going to automatically sign us up for all kinds of notifications and things to be included in the newsletter. But we can select the things that interest us the most, and then by tapping on sign up now, we can sign up to the newsletter. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.